Hi, Anthony here again. This time I want to raise a topic looking at risks and issues. Risks which we have every day of our lives, and the same with issues. Quite important to know that there is a very distinct difference between them. Risks we can actually manage, because if we recognise something that's possible up front, an uncertainty that may happen in the future, then we can look at doing something about it, uncertainty. Issues, we cannot do that because they come out of the blue, and therefore we can only respond to them, right? And this is the biggest difference between them. And secondly, what is very important to understand is if we do have a risk and it does materialise, we don't treat it now as an issue, because they are still separate, distinctive actions that need to be taken. A risk should stay as a risk. Now, if you go to the pmtips.net and articles, there's an article that explains there about risks and issues and the differences between them. Right. Now, there's obviously a link between them, because technically, when we're looking at risk from an uncertainty point of view is a potential issue. But now you can do something about it. You can put a plan in place up front, if you like, or at least know you've got something in case it does materialise. The second thing is that a risk can actually generate an issue, right? By the very fact that you do something as a plan, and the plan therefore produces an output you weren't expecting. The same with an issue. So there are links between them, but they are different animals because we treat them differently. So please look at the article. It gives a much better explanation, a lot more detailed explanation with examples of what I'm actually talking about. But it is a very big confusion out there, and this is one of the reasons why we do have a lot of complications in projects, because we do not handle them properly. Thank you.